Hey there, I'm Arthur with Innovative Journaling, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a free journal making course. And I'll tell you a little bit about the course. Okay, so we sell kits on how to make leather journals. And this particular kit that I'm talking about right now is how to make single section journals, just like these right here. 4 different sizes: Da Vinci, Soul, Pathfinder, and Companion size, which is a pocket size book. Now, we made a course on how to do this and so much more. The course contains 8 videos, 6 downloads, and a course booklet, which is right here. And this course is, you can get it for free this weekend only when you purchase any size kit, and you can see all the kits in the product description. So that's it. That's the special for the weekend. Our free journal making course with the purchase of any DIY 101 single section journal kit. This course contains a lot of cool stuff. It's got the video for sewing your book, but also it's got how to make your own custom sized templates, how to cut leather straighter, smoother, and safer, how to corner round, how to make covers out of really thin floppy leather or paper. We have a whole video about making journals without leather, with scraps around your house, and so and a lot more. So that's what the course is about. It's free this weekend when you purchase any DIY 101 single section journal making kit. And that's it. Hope you like this video. You're going to love the kit and the course. See you on the next video. Bye.